Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video you learn about some of the more date and time function like today, now and UTC now, and we'll see the what is the difference between all of them here. So let's start. Here today function basically it returns the current date, and second is now function it returns the current date and time in the date time format, and third is the UTC now it returns the current UTC date and time, that is the GMT time. So we'll see in more detail here. So let's go to the Power BI screen. So here click on the new measures. So we'll write the measure here, and we will run it. So resize is as per your choice. So we can see this is the today date, that is 8th December. We can see it is reflecting today's date. Now next is the UTC now. Here u now 1 is equal to UTC now function. We can see here 8 December 2023, and this is the GMT time. We are almost 5.5 hours ahead of the GMT times here. So this is reflecting the GMT time. Now next is the now function here. See, this is the current date and time here. Today is 8th December, and this is the 21, 23, 13 that is taken from the system only. See, this is the current date and time from the system, and this is the UTC time here. We can see the difference of almost 5.5 hours here, and this is the today's date. So I hope it is the clear between difference of today, now, and UTC now. So this is all about the date and time function here. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision. Thank you.